Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through on how to pay with Temu Credit. So let's get into the video. So open up Temu and then log into your Temu account, and if you have some credit balance on your Temu account, for example, go to your U tab here and then you'll be able to see your credits, your Temu balances here. So if you go to credit balance, click on credit balance, you'll see all your credit balance here. So what are you going to do? So if you want to use any of your credit balance here, so your Temu credits, what you can do, you can simply hit on this use it now option. So click on this use it now option and it will take you to the transaction page where you'll be able to when you check out, you'll be able to use it. But if you don't, other than that, what happens is that even if you don't select, if you have sufficient Temu credits, then what happens is that when you make your next order or when you make a purchase, once you get to the checkout page, then your Temu credits will be automatically applied to your transaction, your next transaction. So you don't really have to do anything; it will be applied automatically to your checkout when you check out. So all you have to do is simply just hit on the checkout and complete the transaction. Your credits will be applied automatically by default, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.